Good morning, students. So today we will do with tissues. So today we will do with the tissues, and in this chapter first we have to start with levels of organization. So we have to see the levels of organization in the living world. So in chemistry you have studied that atoms forms molecules, and many molecules joins together to form macromolecules, like DNA is the macromolecule, and so many macromolecules is forming the protoplasm and the cell organelles. So this combination of the protoplasm and the cell organelles forms the cell, a group of cells which is similar in structure and similar in function, similar in origin, forms the tissue. Tissue is a group of cells which is similar in origin, similar in structure and similar in function. Tissues will form organ, different types of tissue which works together in a coordinated pattern and completes a specific function is known as organ. Then group of organs which works together in a coordinated pattern and completes a vital life activity is known as organ system. And so many organ systems which works in coordinated pattern to form an organism. So this is the relationship between the tissues, organs, organ system and organism. So let's study about it one by one. So first we have studied about cell in the previous chapter. So cell is the mass of protoplasm with cell organelles and nucleus at its center in case of animal cell, towards the periphery in case of plant cell, and bounded by a cell membrane generally, but a cell wall is present in plant cell. Okay. Then tissue is a group of cells which is similar in structure and performs a specific function. You should also mention here that tissue is a group of cells similar in structure plus similar in origin also. Okay, its origin is also same. Clear? Its origin is also same. So tissue is a group of cells similar in structure, similar in origin and performs a specific function. Okay. Then tissue is a group of cells, group of distinct cells, similar cells, and carry out a specific set of function. For example, connective tissue is there, epithelial tissue is there, muscular tissue is there, nervous tissue is there. Okay. Then what is organ? Organ is a group of tissue which performs a specific function, like here heart, brain, lungs, kidney. These are organs. Then organ system is what? Group of organs which performs a vital life activity. Vital, it means the life activity because of which we can survive. And if those life activity will not occur properly, we will not be able to survive. So organ system is the group of organs which performs the vital life activity. So organ system, multicellular organisms, especially animals, are typically organized into organ systems. So group of organs that function together to carry out broad set of functions. For instance, an organ system in human is the digestive system. Okay, and some of the organs in the human are this organ system of digestive system are stomach, liver, small intestine, pancreas. So organ system is the group of organs which works together in a coordinated pattern and completes a vital life activity. For example, this is the digestive system. So this digestive system is formed of stomach, liver, gallbladder, okay, large intestine, small intestine. So all these organs are working in coordination with each other, and when they are working in coordination with each other, they are completing one life activity. And which life activity it is completing? That is digestion of food. Now study of tissue is known as histology. Your today's homework is to find out who is the father of histology. This is the picture of father of histology. You have to find out the name of the father of histology. Thank you for today. Write down the notes in your copy. Thank you.